Guys, I'm doing a stew. So basically I got some ground chicken, or sorry, ground turkey. I got some vegetable broth, got some garlic, got some onions there, carrots. We're gonna be putting in Swiss chard as well, and some chickpeas that I got, and can of corn, and then I'm gonna cook it up in the Instant Pot, and I'll be back. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna get it all prepped up. So I got the meat in there, I got the chickpeas, got the corn, carrots are in there. I'm gonna add the onion, and then I'm gonna add the Swiss chard. So I'll be back. You see the pot is ready. I'm gonna add some more water to it, and then I'm gonna put it in the Instant Pot, and then we're gonna cook it up, and then we'll do a quick taste test once it's done. Stay tuned, guys. All right, as you can see, the soup or the stew is all done here. More of a soup, but let's do a quick taste test here. So I didn't add that much seasoning to it, so I might actually add it a little bit after I taste this broth. So give me 1 second here. So it needs a little bit of seasoning, but it actually tastes pretty good. You can taste all the vegetables and everything else that goes in there. So it probably needs a little bit of salt to go with it. Other than that, definitely check it out, guys. If you have questions, comments, subscribe to the channel.